corners in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P. Cop new hammers for my piece. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the spot. Just a piece.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Unathi, and in this video I'm going to be giving you guys ways that you can make money as a teenager and how I make my own money as a teenager, and like how I buy my own stuff without like asking for my parents' money. I did a video before on how to make money as a teenager and you guys really liked that, so I was like, I'm gonna do a part 2 for you guys with some new ideas and expanding on the ideas that I had in the last video. So yeah, but before I get into this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. You know, 2023 10k goal, so yeah. And if you enjoyed this video, comment down below if you try any of these ways, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. I wanted to mention that most of these ways that I'm going to give you guys, and what you really should be aiming for, I feel like, is passive income. This is basically making money while doing anything. So like making money in your sleep, for example, so you don't have to be doing the thing to make money. So for example, I don't know, like starting a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel, I make money off of my videos, and like I don't have to be like doing the video like right now to make money. Like I can just go off and do something else and I'll still be making the money. So that's basically what passive income is, and that's really a really good thing, because you can make money essentially while doing anything you want, you know. First way I have is surveys. I mentioned this in my last video, and I gave you guys some websites that I really recommend using, and some apps that I've used before, so I will link them down below. Surveys are a really good way because it's just like you're just answering a couple questions, and you don't get obviously like large sums of money, but you can get like $5, £5, and like that's really good, like honestly. And you just made £5 just answering questions and giving your opinion on stuff, and it's like crazy. But yeah, surveys is a really good way, and I do surveys sometimes. I'm like get your extra £2, get your extra $2, like come on now, like money is, it's still money, you know. So but I really wanted to put this out to you guys because this is something you really have to do if you can, is Poshmark, Depop, eBay, Vinted, stuff like that. Do it. If you have stuff lying around, why are you gonna throw it away? Why are you gonna like waste it? Like come on now, you know, you can sell it and make money off of it. Obviously, like you can like donate to charity and stuff like that, but you can also make money off of those things. So if, for example, I'm not trying to use that soap lamp anymore, which I love it so much, but like I could sell it, you know. Like don't throw away, like if you've got like a pair of shoes, obviously it should be like decent looking stuff, but like if you've got like clothes that you don't wear anymore, or like they're too small for you, or they're too big, or you bought something and it was like, yeah, but you can sell it on Depop, on Vinted, on Poshmark. Like you can do those things and you can make money. And like my sister does this quite a lot, and she makes her bag. Okay, so I've done it like a little bit, and I've made like quite a bit of money on it. So I think it's just like a really good way. You could literally start a whole business with it as well. There's like real legit businesses on like Depop, on like sites like that. There's legit businesses that people have made and make real money off of that. This is what my sister does for her business, like some of the stuff she does. So my sister has a business and it's called Caption Closet, and before that she had like a website and everything, and you know, she was like selling the clothes on the website. But then she switched to like using Depop and like Vinted and like stuff like that, I think, just to take a little break from that. and it really worked out well because she sold her stuff on there and she was making so much money. And also what she would also do, which I think she's so smart for, go to like a thrift store or like a charity shop and like look for like clothes that people would look like they wanted to buy, and like decent nice looking clothes, and get them from there. Obviously they're going to be like on the cheaper end of sides, and then you sell them for more money than you got them. Obviously not like so much more, but like sell it. Like if you get like a top and it's like £5, and then you can sell it for like $7, you know, and you get the bag. So yeah. So yeah, Depop, Poshmark, those are really good ways. And if you've got old stuff, it doesn't matter what it is, it could literally be a bracelet, sell it, okay? And then the third way I have is if you have over like 2,000 followers on a platform, any platform, so like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, if literally, because some people just like, they aren't even like content creators or anything, but if you just happen, I don't know, to just have like over 1,000, even 1,000 could do, but like over like 2,000 followers on a platform, you could be making money off of that. Like you should monetize off of that. Like you could literally be making money and you're just out there, babe, you know, like you could be making money off of that. So if you've got like an account with over 2,000 followers or like in the thousands, you literally could get like sponsorships. You could get so many opportunities and make money off of that, and like get companies to send you their stuff and tell them, oh, I could promote this on my Instagram, I could promote this on my TikTok. A few brands will eventually come to you and be like, oh, we would like to work with you, like, and then you tell them like how much you charge, and like you're gonna have to work that out and do like a bit more research on like charging rates and all of that, but like, and then you have it and you give them your price and you post the content and you get the bag. The fourth idea that I have, this is kind of like a vague idea, but I just wanted to put it in here because it's really important. Make money off of your talents / interests. So for example, if you like making your own clothes, like crocheting, if you like making even bracelets, again, if you like making bracelets, if you, I don't know, if you make your own little beaded jewelry, you could literally make a business off of that, you know? You could make a business off of something you actually enjoy, and this is like something I want to put out there. You could make a business of almost anything really. So if, for example, I want to start crocheting again, and if I get like better and eventually I'm making really good stuff which people like, oh my days, and I look at it, I'm like, oh my days, I would literally buy that, sell it, start a whole business on it, you know? And that's basically what I mean by like you can monetize off of like the things you enjoy or your interests or your hobbies. You can monetize off of it. So yeah, like if you make art, you could go on like Society6, which is like an example where people put in their art and stuff like that. You could go on Etsy. You could be making your bag. So yeah. The fifth idea I have, I said in the last video, but start a channel. Okay, so low-key I posted a TikTok like I think it was like a week ago or something, I can't remember, but it was like a week ago, and it got like 17,000 views, and I was so confused. I was like, oh my gosh, ah. But like it low-key like blew up just a little bit, and like it was just me showing like my journey on YouTube, and like how if you want to start a channel, literally just do it, and you never know what you could make from it and how it could go basically. And like a lot of people commenting like, oh my days, like I want to start a channel now, and like yeah, so I wanted to put this in here again. Start a channel. If you want to start a channel, start it. Literally just start it. It's such a good thing to do. Get yourself out there, don't be scared. You can make money off of it also. I'm pretty sure you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are hard to get. And obviously I didn't start a channel to just make money. Like I had my channel for like almost a year and a half, and I wasn't making any sort of money off of my channel, so, and I was still going. So obviously YouTube, it has to be something you really like in order to like sort of be successful in it. So yeah, I'm so proud of myself, and it's so insane that I'm like making my own money, sharing videos with you guys, videos I genuinely enjoy, giving you guys, like helping you guys out like this, and I'm making money off of this. So you know what, y'all always like be watching people's videos. Stop watching people's videos, make your own videos and make your money. You're giving that person money, like you're giving me money. I mean, get it, I guess, but like make your own bag, you know. So if people make fun of you, like girl, BFFR. So yeah. And then number 6, I have start a small business. Once again, like Etsy and stuff like that, or make your own website like my sister did. And it's just such a good thing. Like once again, if you like making clothes, if you like making jewelry, like I want to start my own business. It's like one of my small little goals that I've kept to myself for 2023. But I do want to start my own business in 2023. Not right now, but later on around the summer when I'm done with my GCSEs and I'm like done with high school. I want to start my own business, and I want to make like, should I tell you guys? Okay, I'm gonna start my own business, and I'm gonna be making like phone cases, like jewelry, stuff like that, and like cute bracelets, like cute necklaces, cute phone cases, just like accessories. And hopefully later on, when my business is hopefully more successful, I can like go on to making clothes. And I like, when I'm now good at crocheting, I can like sell my pieces on there, and that's gonna be so cool. And it's literally a thing that I've been planning for like 2 years, maybe more, babe. But yeah, I'm just so excited. But like, yeah, this has been in the works for a long time. But get ready for summer, because that's when I'm going to be actually starting the business. So yeah. And then number 7, I have babysitting. So like personally, like I don't really like babies like that, but like if it's like a cool kid, or like if you have like relatives who have like a kid and like they go to work, you can be like, yo, like I could like watch the kid for you guys. And like I think it just depends on like if you like kids or anything like that. But like honestly, it's a good way to make money. Pet sitting, because like people don't want to leave their pets like alone, especially if it's like a puppy or it's like a small dog or something like that. You could pet sit and charge, girl, you need a bag. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so at number 9, I have creating low content books. So I'm going to tell you guys what this is. Basically, creating a low content book is essentially you're designing like the cover of a book. You can do that. You can design book covers. Right, said that. Like for example, I'm gonna give you guys, this is a really good example for explaining what I'm trying to say. The 5-minute journal, that really went viral. Like it was popping off. Everyone was just like that girl. So it wasn't like TikTok, you name it. Like yeah. So someone had to design the front cover saying like the 5-minute journal, and like design the prompts inside the journal. And to be honest, like low-key it's kind of easy, but like low-key, I don't know, app, website, platform that people do this on, it's called Book Vault. And I'm just gonna give you guys really what I know about it. And basically you can just start creating low content books on there, and you can speak to like professionals and like people who can like give you advice. And like I think it's like weekly video calls on how you can grow your store and stuff like that. So basically you can literally create that, and it can low-key go like Amazon viral, and like a lot of people can buy it. I'm not sure what the percentage is, but like I'm pretty sure Amazon takes like a percentage of that money, and you get like the rest of it basically. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, because I've been literally blabbing on for like an hour straight. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Subscribe down below. Once again, comment down below this emoji so I know you stayed through till the end of the video. And yeah, comment down below if you're gonna try any of these ways, or if this video helped you, anything like that. But now I'm gonna stairs and eat and watch TikToks because I'm like, I'm quite tired. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you all. You're amazing. See you amazing. Bye.